Morning students, class 5th, subject science. I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according to written points. See the observe, my dear student. Already written is here. First is explanation of lesson number 5, plant reproduction. We will discuss now here. Second is revision lesson number 4, pollination exercise, question answer. Yes, my dear student. Previously I had discussed, but now we will discuss revision also. See the observe, my dear student. Yes, one by one we will observe, and yes, first of all you will see here, I will explain also. Yes, my dear student. See, all of you will check here one by one. Yes, my dear student. Yes, have you seen the given picture is here. First is explanation of lesson number 5, plant reproduction. Second, revision lesson number 4, pollination exercise, question answer. See the observe, my dear student, one by one. Yes, now here you will see, in this lesson we will discuss about the reproduction of plant. Yes, given picture already very important, have you seen? Yes. Next, second point, pollination, have you seen? So many question answer previously I had done, all of you already written in your textbook. So, you will revise from book. Yes, my dear student. Next. Yes, my dear student. First of all, you will see here some written point, plant reproduction. What is the means about here reproduction? You will see here, let us warm up. Plant are our friends. Okay, my dear student, you will see without plant our life will not possible. Otherwise we will say the human will not be survive. Okay. So, yes, plant is very important for everyone life. Yes, okay, they make the air fresh and clean, we breathe. Okay, have you seen they damage the soil, okay, protect from, they give out, yes, poisonous gases, and they give us food, gum, medicine, they reduce rainfall. It means that without plant, yes, not possible better life, okay, because yes, human and plant depend each other. Okay, yes, plant give us oxygen and we will release, animal and human will release, yes, carbon dioxide. So, yes, plant will take carbon dioxide and in presence of sunlight give us food and oxygen. See the observe, my dear student. Yes, one by one we will discuss is here. You will see here is very important. You can see the plant all around. So many type plant are here. Have you seen the given picture? Yes, my dear student, garden plant, yes, and potted plant. Have you seen here? Yes, useful plant. Yes, if you will see the garden, your house, roadside also. Yes, my dear student, have you seen the so many beautiful plant? So, yes, if you will see, there are, like all other living things, plant also, my dear student, have you seen, produce more their own kind by the, yes, process of reproduction, and reproduction help in coming, yes, my dear student, have you seen too? Yes, continuity of a kind. If you will see the plant after reproduction, plant give, yes, so many process if you will see here. Yes, pollination we will get, after pollination we will get seed, and that we will grow again new baby plant. See the observe. Next downside you will see plant reproduce mainly in 3 way. Yes my dear student, if we will grow, yes, so yes my dear student, plant reproduce mainly to the 3 way. One is the by spore. How will possible generate the new baby plant? So by speed, by spore, by body parts. So first of all we will discuss now here my dear student in this given video reproduction by the seed. First of all, yes my dear student, have you seen to here? Yes, reproduction by the seed. A flower of the plant make a seed, yes, with the help of pollination, and after pollination we will get, yes my dear student, seed. Flower grow into the fruit, contain the seed inside. Have you seen? If you will take the any fruit and vegetable, my dear student, yes, the flower of a plant make a seed. See the observe. If you will see now here, yes, some flower are colored and some have the pleasant smell. What is the use of this? Yes, attract the insect. This type of feature, yes, attract the insect to flower, and yes, pollination will be there. That time this process helpful for pollination. And my dear student, parts of flower, if you will see, the flower has the 4 parts, yes, called the complete flower. Have you seen my dear student? One is the sepal. Sepal are the green leaf like structure. Have you seen? Yes my dear student. Next is petal. Petal are the brightly colored. Have you seen to my dear student? Previous lesson I had discussed. See the observe. Next, yes, here have you seen? One is, yes, 1 minute, have you seen? Just a minute, I will show to here. One is sepal, green structure. Number 2, petals, okay, brightly colored. Yes, have you seen? Next, third is here already. Have you seen to here? My dear student, another structure have you seen? Endoecium and gynoecium. Yes, have you seen? Third structure inside the filament and anther. Next is gynoecium. 4th part is here, that is you will see stigma, style and ovary inside. Okay, my dear student, have you seen under the this? So yes, basically 4 parts is here. Have you seen to my dear student? Yes. We will say endoecium, the another name is here stamen. Gynoecium another name is carpel or pistil, we will say. If you will see, stamen is a male parts of flower. Carpel, pistil, have you seen to female parts of flower? Yes, it has the stick top, the stigma, style and ovary. Okay, my dear student, have you seen to here given picture? Yes, yes, have you seen? Okay, it's very important. Anther and filament, male parts, stigma, style, ovary, female parts. Okay, my dear student, yes. Another name we will say here, see the observe, yes, stamen, endoecium, carpel or pistil, we will say the gynoecium. Have you seen to here? Yes, a flower in which of any of the parts of holes are the missing is called, yes, you will, yes, incomplete flower. Just like you will see the, yes, previous lesson I had discussed bisexual flower and unisexual flower. So my dear student, it means you will see here the incomplete flower. Yes, cucumber and date plant have incomplete flower. Previously I had discussed. See the observe, my dear student. Listen carefully. Okay, how will possible? Fruit, yes, from flower to fruit. Yes, this is very important for you. See the observe. What the means of this? It's mean that, my dear student, if you will see, yes, without insect not possible, yes, pollination. Okay, so pollen grain with the help of, yes, that process, yes, insect move one place to another very easily. Have you seen the given picture? The role of Yes, insect is very important for pollination process. Yes, my dear student. It means that insect carry the pollen grain stigma to, yes, my dear student, stigma of another flower. Okay, my dear student, of the same kind that you will see. Yes, one flower to another flower very easily. Okay, my dear student. Yes, attach the pollen grain and that. So this type process very easily follow with the help of, yes, pollination. Yes, my dear student. The pollen grain grow a tube that the move from the stigma through the style reach the ovary. Yes, my dear student. Stigma through the style and reach to ovary. Pollen grain fuse with the ovule and then the process will complete. This process, pollen grain fused with the ovule called fertilization. Yes, my dear student, you will see. Yes, okay. Yeah, pollen grain transfer. Yes, my dear student. Anther to, yes, my dear student, stigma called pollination. And another we will say the pollen grain, yes, fused with ovule to form seed. We will call to here, that is fusing process called fertilization. So, yes, my dear student, it is very important process. Have you seen the picture already given is there? See the observe fertilization. Yes, my dear student. Yes. So, it is very important for, yes, this structure already given is here. See the observe. Yes, have you seen? Yes, my dear student. I will show to here. Pick. Is clear? Have you seen? Today, yes, my dear student, what happened that this is the anther and this is, have you seen to here, style. Yes, my dear student, first is, have you seen, okay, inside here, have you seen to, my dear student, it is very important, the pollen grain fused with the ovule. Ovule is here. Yes, if you will see to here, yes, my dear student, yeah, pollen grain transfer, yes, anther to stigma. First of all inside, yes, my dear student, yes, grain growth tube that move from the stigma through the style and reach the ovary. Yes, my dear student, and then enter through the tube. And have you seen? Yes, my dear student. Okay, and now ovule, this is the ovule, and have you seen to here? This is ovule. Okay, this type of structure have you seen? Okay, yes, this type, if you will see the ovule. Okay, so this is the ovule. Yes, my dear student, have you seen to ovule? Yes, ovule. And after, yes, fusing, this process pollen grain fuse with the ovule is called pollination. This process called pollination. Yes, my dear, it is very important for plant. Structure of seed, we will discuss the new plant grow from the seed, give the new topic is here, new plant can grow from the seed given below in the structure of seed, my dear student. Next time we will discuss given topic. Yes, my dear student. See the observe one by one, focus on your study continuously, wait for, yes, this is the new topic we will discuss the next video. See the observe, my dear student. Yes. Now, in this part also we will discuss revision lesson number 4. I will give to some work. Yes, yes, already given exercise already previous I had discussed. So, you will read carefully and take the revision copy, write down the question and complete the, yes, write down the question and without, yes, without book you will write down the proper answer yourself. So, first of all already given so many question also given is here, see you will read and write down the question on your revision copy and yes, same that you will see the here, yes, the fill in the blanks should be write down the empty, yes, fill up and then after, yes, you will give the, yes, you will take the write down and question on your revision copy and give the answer yourself. See the observe, next is write true or false. Have you seen to, my dear student? Yes. So, previously I had discussed So already you will read carefully first of all from the book, and then should be write down the question in your revision copy, and then without book you will write down the answer yourself. Next is answer the following question. You will read carefully the question answer and carefully, and that without textbook or without copy should be write down the answer yourself on your revision copy. See the observe my dear student hot question. Why are the some flower the bright colored and sweet the smelling? The answer is the flower are brightly colored and sweet smelling because they attract insect for pollination. It is very important. So many students ask me the one by one. So yes, so you will complete given the work as that in your, yes my dear student, book as a revision. Yes, next time we will discuss in a detail. Thanks to my dear students. See the observe all of you, yes, carefully and complete your work. Thanks to all. See the observe my dear student. Yes, one by one please given the instruction should be follow as that. Yes, I will come. See the observe. Yes, so I hope all of you follow the given instruction as that and read the carefully. Thanks to all. Take care.